Companies use surveys to get feedback from people. This data helps them improve their products, marketing efforts, and more. Welcome to the Pawns.app Academy. Today, you're going to learn how to make money by completing simple surveys. To start earning money with Pawns.app, 1. Download the app and install it. 2. Create an account. 3. Check for available surveys and complete them. They cover different topics from tech to fashion, pets, cars, politics, and more. 4. Your earnings are added to your balance instantly. Reach $5 and cash them out. 5. It's 100% safe and legit, like talking to a friend. All traffic is encrypted and anonymized. Also, you can stop using the app whenever you want. Our global community already has over 2 million users worldwide. Join us.